Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. I have installed kdenlive, and I've got a... oh, look at that. Alright, so the project is installed, and I figured out a couple of things. First, in order to make clips, or to be able to add effects, you need to be able to cut your video into pieces. So, let's see if we can view my markers. The markers are pretty easy to... well, they're not that easy. In fact, you have to... there's no hot key for these, so and you can't view the markers apparently. Let's see, view markers, no. Let's see if we can zoom in. Yes, we can zoom in. Alright, so here I'm rolling the key and it allows me to zoom in on the time. So this is 2 minutes 33, 2 minutes 34, 2 minutes 35. Alright, so that's all well and good. Crop. And this is obscure. Now, I did have an obscure manipulation window here, but that is gone, and I don't know why. Can't drag that in there. And if I, I'll drop this in. So I've got obscure and a box blur. And I can't figure out how to... okay, now it's there. Do you see that? I just Control-Z'd it, and now it works. So I'm going to move this down here, and that's good. So now it's obscured. Opacity. Let's change the opacity. That's very sweet. Like that a lot. So it doesn't have to be total. Actually, let's just go with 15 or 14. That's more than enough. Go with 10, see what it looks like. Yeah, that's plenty. I've added a cut. I used the clip tool. No, I used the tool razor to clip it, or to cut it. And then cropped it where I wanted. And now let's go to the next phase, and I'll show you how I do it again. Spacebar to play. Hopefully it works. Okay, it does. Oh, now let's just make sure. Okay, I've got another place here which I don't really want people looking at. Let's see. Spacebar is not working now. Oh, okay. It did work briefly. Something is here that it's... is that a marker in there? There is a marker there. Okay, so let's see if I move this over here, zoom in. Okay, that's refreshing the page. Alright, so I'm going to add another, I'm going to X to clip, and let's play. X to clip. Oh, too fast. Clicking along, hoping to find, yeah, there it is. Okay, so that's my next place I want to clip. Right there. So I just hit the X key. And now I have just clipped it again. So I'm going to put the box blur in here. Now you see, it's not showing up again. So I can't control where the box is blurring. Let's see if I select tool. That's not quite what I expected. Let's see. The blur factor, right, position. Where's the position? Oh, okay, that's kind of weird. Box blur, how do I get it to box the area I want it to blur? Vertical, horizontal. Let's go and move this into where it's supposed to be. Doesn't want to do that. Wow, okay, that's some serious blurring. More blurring than I want. And it won't go... Alright, let's zoom out a little bit. That's kind of weird. Don't know how to use it. Blur factor 25. can't figure out how to get that box. Remember this one? I had, oh, box blur. Yeah, that's what I wanted. This one's obscure though. That's what I want. I want obscure. So let's go back. Z. Let's see, it's gone. Alright, so now I'm going to add the obscure. Yeah, obscure. There we go. Okay, so let's move that down. Move that over. So there's a difference between box blur and obscure. And that should do it. Okay, I'm happy with that. Now, save. Let's see what save looks like. Alright, so, filter. That's interesting. First run. Save. And now let's play the video again. Actually, I can cut this out. I just need to add a marker. Actually, I just cut it. X, snip, and play. Okay, now I can cut it there. And I should be able to delete. Delete selected clip. That should work. Hopefully. Don't see it deleting. Let's go. Let's rewind. S to select. And it didn't delete it. Alright, so much to learn. And we'll come back with more. Thanks for watching. Happy computing.